Come and join IMAGO, International Mathematical Advanced Geometry Olympiad. This competition will be held on March 26, 2022, online, in bilingual format of English and Indonesian language. Contact the competition committee through WhatsApp before 22nd of March to register.
Hey everyone, here's the question for this video. The orange square covers half of the larger square. What is the angle x? Pause this video if you want to answer this question first. Now let's answer this question together. First, let the side length of the larger square as the letter C, the side length of the orange square as B, and the distance between the two squares as A. Finally, we have a right angle triangle from all of those that will be important in solving this question. Now, we know from the question that the area of the orange square is half of the larger square. Hence, B square is equal to half of C square. Then, from the right angle triangle, we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find that C square is equal to A square plus A plus B inside bracket square. And then, we can combine the two into this equation. After that, we continue to work out this equation in order to find what is B in terms of A. Finally, we got into a quadratic equation where negative 0.5b squared plus ab plus a squared is equal to 0. Using quadratic formula in this equation, we finally got that b is equal to 1 minus root of 3a or 1 plus root of 3a. Finally, we need to use trigonometry to find angle x, where we use a tan theta is equal to the opposite divided by adjacent. In this triangle, tan x is equal to a divided by a plus b. Hence, x is equal to tan of a over a plus b. Now we substitute b in terms of a, where b is equal to 1 minus root of 3a. And then we cross out a to simplify the equation. After working out the equation, we finally got that x is equal to 75 degrees. After that, we do the same thing using b is equal to 1 plus root of 3a. And here we got that x is equal to 15 degrees. However, since we can see in the diagram that x is a smaller angle where x is lower than 45 degrees, hence the correct answer should be x equal to 15 degrees. Thank you for watching this video.
Come and join IMAGO, International Mathematical Advanced Geometry Olympiad. This competition will be held on March 26, 2022, online, in bilingual format of English and Indonesian language. Contact the competition committee through WhatsApp before 22nd of March to register.